In this SchoolFusion tutorial, we're going to look at using the Slideshow tool to add a slideshow of pictures to your Fusion page. Using a slideshow can be a great way to publicize the awesome events that are happening in your classroom. So first thing you need to do is log in and go to the Fusion page that you want to add the slideshow to. Take a look at the tools that you already have on your page and look for a tool called Slideshows. If you don't currently have the Slideshows tool on your page, go to Add Fusion Tool and click Slideshows. The slideshow tool will appear at the top of your page. Remember that you can move and rearrange these tools by clicking on the four-headed drag and drop arrow. We're going to go ahead and click Add Photo Slideshow. And the first thing that you'll need to do is set a publishing date. It will default to today's date, and you can change that if you want to. Down here where step number 2, it says Add Your Content. You want to be sure the Slideshow tab is selected. They do give you a nice reminder that you need to be sure that you're addressing any publicity concerns of individuals who are in your photos. Most of the schools have a sign-off for parents that allow them to either include their children in publicity photos or not. So you need to be sure that you check that the pictures that you're uploading have students that are able to be on the internet in publicity photos. You can upload up to 100 images in your slideshow, but remember your typical camera picture size is, and I would say that's probably much bigger than that now with today's cameras. So uploading 10 of these pictures over a high-speed internet connection could take over 10 minutes. So the more pictures you have, the longer it's going to take to create the slideshow. So if you have a lot of pictures in your slideshow, you just need to be patient. The first thing you're going to do is add a title. And then down here, they give you an option of adding up to 5 photos. You can click the Add Another Slide button to add additional slides for your pictures. So the first thing we're going to do is browse and find a picture that we want to upload. So browse your computer or browse your H drive and find the pictures that you want to upload. You'll go ahead and click the picture that you want to upload and click Open. And you'll see that picture name listed here in the image file option. You can add a caption, so if you want to put who is in the picture or what the picture is about, you can type that in here, but that is optional. Color enhancement means that the computer will recreate your image with more vibrant colors. That's automatically checked by default. If you don't want the computer to do that, then uncheck that. And it really varies by picture. I find sometimes that it makes the colors really vibrant and almost cartoon-like, so you may not want to have that color enhancement on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Then you're going to go ahead and continue browsing and finding your pictures until you have all the pictures that you need in your slideshow listed. If you need to add additional pictures, you would click Add Another Slide, and that will give you the option of adding more pictures. When you're done finding your pictures, the next thing you want to do is attach it to the Fusion page. You can create a slideshow on one page and attach it to multiple Fusion pages. So if you want this same slideshow to be on multiple class pages, you can check that here. You can either save and schedule next week's content if you want to do another slideshow, or click Save and return home. Remember to be patient during this part. Depending on how many photos you added and how big the file size is, this might take a while. So just let your computer work and don't click anywhere else until the slideshow actually loads. When Fusion is done creating your slideshow, you will see it listed here in your slideshow tool. To play the slideshow, you can either click the picture or click the title of the slideshow. Your slideshow will open and it will automatically start playing. You can advance the slides by clicking the forward arrow, or you can always just click a picture down here in the tray. If you want to edit the slideshow, you would click the pencil. If you want to delete the slideshow, you would click the red X. And think outside of the box when you're thinking of things to use for slideshows. It doesn't just have to be photographs. These two slideshows were actually created using pictures that students created in Photoshop. So as long as if it's an image file, if the students have done it in Photoshop or another photo editing program, or if they've used a drawing program to draw a digital picture, you can easily make those into slideshows during the exact same steps that we just went through. So slideshows don't have to be of actual pictures. You can use student created work as well to create slideshows.